Now children, let's move to page 7171, that is exercise 60. Now children, when you have these brackets, remember that first is what you do is you solve inside the bracket. Always solve the brackets first. Okay. So children, let's do this first. Okay. 40 less 22. Children, always do the working here. 40 and less 22. What will this be, children? The answer. This will be 8, and because here it is 3, so this is 1, 18. So here we have got 18. Always solve inside the bracket first. Right? Now it's minus. And what's left here, children? You need to bring this down. Now it's 52 less 18. So do 52 less 18. So this you have 4, here you will have 12. So 8, and you minus, you will get what? Yes, 4, and this will be 3. So this will be 34. Got it? Now children, this one, tell me what will it be? I told you first is the brackets, right? So yes, 4 divided 2, you will get 2. Now you need to bring down this, and don't forget the sign. The outside sign is division. Now this you could divide this, children. So this will be 2, 4s are 8, less 0, and then you bring down 4, 2 2s is 4, less 0. So your answer will be 42. Got it? Children, the remaining ones I think you can do. This is also fairly simple. Let's move to another example now. Now children, the next page, that is page 72, okay? This is simple, same like that, okay? How would you do, children? First, you will solve inside the bracket. Once you solve inside the bracket, like example this, 6 plus 4 is what? 10. So that's 20 and into 5. Don't forget to bring down the number and the sign. The sign, don't forget the sign. That's very important. So children, you can solve 71 and 72. Children, don't be afraid. Try it. These are simple. You just need practice. Okay, now children, page 73, that's a little tricky, but I'll tell you. So let's do page 73. Let's take examples from the text only. Let's take which one will take? Yes, let's take this 20 plus, yes, the first one will take. Okay, that's, children, pay attention here. 20, the sum is 20 plus, then it's bracket, that is 8 plus 4 divided by 3. Now children, this is a little complicated, but just don't worry. I'll tell you what. First, we have to solve the bracket, right? So first we will solve the bracket. So what do I get, children, when I solve this? 8 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now what did I say in the previous sum? We need to bring down the numbers and the sign. Children, sign is very, very important. Here it is plus, and children, look here, here it is divide. Okay. Now children, when you have this, you remember one thing, that is, it is D M A S. Okay. Now you just look at this order, children. First it is division. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay. So now first over here, children, what do we have? Division. So solve this first. So when you divide this, you will get 4. You put the sign here, add, and here it is 20. Okay, because you see, first is the bracket. Got it? Now you have two signs, addition and division. Now look here, which sign is first, children? Division. So you solve division first. Now you get addition. So now you have to solve the addition. So that's your answer is 24. Okay. Let's take another one only. Children, from the text only let us take. You get your confidence with these sums, then I will give you other sums to solve. So let's take, yes, let's take the D one. I find it a little complicated. So it is 7 into 13 minus 6 minus 19. Okay. Now children, first what we are going to do? Yes. 13 minus 6. Yes, what's 13 minus 6, children? Come on. 7. Once you have done that, the first step is clear. Okay. Now I need to bring down the numbers. 7 into 7 less 19. Don't forget your signs. Right? Yes. Now children, look here. I have put here. Okay. So, first is what? Multiplication. 7 sevens as what? 49. Less 19. Children, always do the working if you are not confident. 49 less 19. So, you get 30. Got it? Okay. Children, whenever you have this, remember this. You solve the bracket first, right? And then you remember this, the order which comes first, you solve it that way. Let's take, yes, let's take the E1, children. Come on, let's take the E1. That is 60 plus bracket 18 plus 7 divided by 5. Yes. Now children, tell me first what? First is, yes, very good. Add 15 and 125. Now don't forget. Got it? Now children, what will I solve first? I have two signs, addition and then I have division. So which one I am going to solve first, children? Look here. Division is first, correct? So I will solve division first. So when I divide, children, this I divide, I get 5. And this is 60. So my answer is 65 because addition is afterwards. Got it? So children, I think you can complete these pages. I will put it up in the broadcast. That's all, children, from my side. Thank you.